around?
Huh?
It goes around?
I just meant the creek splits.
Oh, okay.
This is an island.
There's little mushrooms growing out of that. You see them?
Oh, yeah.
You'd get so used to that smell you wouldn't even notice it anymore.
Yeah.
It's probably all in your clothes.
Is it? How do you know it's a mama?
That's a baby bear.
Where is it? Where is it? I don't see
There
it
it
in the
is.
video. Here, there. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. It's a little baby bear. That's all. Where'd he go now? He's hiding. Film him, Thor. Come here.
I got him.
Yeah, there he is. Oh look how good you can see him. Oh wow, what a treat. My goodness.
No.
Yeah. Who spotted him?
Emma did.
Wow, Emma.
Wow.
Without you, we never would have seen him.
No.
I saw something down there, and I said, it looked like a bird.
That one's small. He's like kind of underneath.
You count that little slide.
Yeah, look at tails.
Ooh, I see a lot on top of that black one. This is like moss.
Oh yeah.
Like swarming.
And no mosquitoes on here will be going black.
Yeah,
I wonder if the flies are the same.
yeah. And it'd be hot too. It must have been squirt.
Oh no!
Squirt past some cats. Your way.
I know.
You're gonna spray you.
Watch out.
Is this
Squirter's
cow
gonna
here?
get you.